Alright, hi guys, so today's video is going to be a makeup brush review, and the makeup brushes that I'll be reviewing are my very own. So the very first two brushes I'm going to start with are our individual brushes. Now these are $12 a piece, but on the website we have a discount. I think it was just ongoing for $9.85 I believe, or $9.50, something like that, some $9 something. So this is the Sculpting in Paradise, and I've used this many times in my makeup tutorials. It's just one of those flat slim brushes that's used to sculpt. So I use it down the side of my nose and to sculpt and to blend as well, and to also do my low lighting around my forehead and also around the perimeter of my face. This can also be used to blend out your creams, your liquids, and your cream and the liquid, and of course the powders, of course. Contouring. Alright, now with all brushes, just to say this before I continue, with all brushes they are versatile. I might use one brush for something, then you might use it for something else. So for this video I'm just going to be going through each brush and what I use it for, what it can be used for. But no matter what I say, I hope it's gonna make sense. Whatever you choose to use it for, that's all you, boo-boo. That is all you. Now the set is going for $45 right now, but this deal ends on the 1st of December, and then everything will be back to the original price. And of course we'll have ongoing deals for our members, or VIP club members. So that's the Sculpting in Paradise. This is the Highlighting in Paradise, and this is of course used to put highlighting on different areas, well, on like your cheekbones. Some people highlight hair, down the bridge of your nose, hair, wherever you want to highlight. You can also use this for your creams as well. Each of these brushes can be used with creams and liquids and powders, mousse, whatever the consistency. These brushes can be used with them because these are synthetic brushes. These are not animal hair brushes. These are synthetic brushes, so it will last. So this can be used for your low lighting as well, or as I say, contouring, and to blend out your low lighting, blend out your highlight as well, right, when you're contouring your face, to use to blend down the sides of your nose, to apply a little powder here. I mean, the versatility, and it's not just my brushes, the versatility of makeup brushes are astounding. Yes, they're recommended uses, but I can use them for so many different things. So these two are now separate on the site, but you can get the set of 12 for $45. Now this set alone is $40. These two are $9 each, and we're saying, you know what, you can have all of them for $45. Right, so onto the intensity set. So let me just clear this up right now. These are the Highlighting in Paradise, this one, Sculpting in Paradise, and Intensity in Paradise. And it's called Intensity with the number 10 in it because it's 10 brushes. Hope that made sense. One of these don't belong to me. One of these. Okay, so let's start with the face brushes. Let me just take these out now. So of course you have your blush slash contour. I don't use this for blush. I use this to blend out my contour here. I go between these two to blend out my contour, and this sometimes for blush, but I use another brush specifically for blush. So I use these two to blend up, to apply, like I want a structured contour, I use this, but when I want a more blended contour I use this. But this as well, I find this one, it can blend out the structured contour as well. So I go between these two for contouring, but you can use this for blush, and also to lay down loose powders when you either want to bake, or to lay down loose powders for when you're doing your eyeshadow. I don't want the fallout to hit your foundation face. So that's that. Then we have the flat top. I don't know if I'm obsessed with flat top brush, so any brush that I come out with, if it's a full set, it's going to have a flat top in it. And this one you get with the intensity set, and it's just a flat top brush. I use this for my foundation sometimes, and for my setting my all over face. I use it, let me tell you, I use this to set my all over face for my regular face powder, and I use to set my highlight as well. I use to apply my foundation as well, liquid or cream. This, yes, this, I find that this brush tends to suck up liquid foundations, so I don't really like using this for liquid foundations. I prefer using it for my cream foundations. This is what I use for my blush. So it's big. I love using it for blush and sometimes for highlight, but I mainly use the Intensity, the Highlighting in Paradise for highlight. So I use this specifically for my blush hair, and that's really all I use it for. But you can use this depending on how you apply your makeup to set your all over face. You can also use this to dust away your Remember when I say you could use this to lay down your powder when you want to bake, or whether you want your eyeshadow not to fall in your face, you can use this brush to clean it off, or this brush again, it really doesn't matter. So yeah, that's that. And then we have the foundation brush, which is self-explanatory. Love this specifically for creams. I don't use this for liquids because I don't wear liquid foundation. Love this for creams. Going down my nose, doing my highlights, structuring my face. Oh, my all over foundation. I've used this recently though for my brides, because my brides recently that I've been getting, they don't have that much discoloration or hyperpigmentation on the skin, so I love this just to apply the foundation with. Then we're on to the eye brushes. Now this one is an angled eye brush, and I love using this just for my brow bone up here, and also to apply my highlight right in the middle of my nose. Now let me explain why I highlight right in the middle of my nose the brightest. Because look at my profile, my nose is really flat here, so by adding that extra highlight, it comes out more at you, and it's visibly in line with the rest of my nose. Love using this brush for that, and really that's all I use it for. I use it also to blend out my foundation on top there. Then I have these two brushes. Then I have these two brushes that are the same. One is bigger, which is this one here, then this one is smaller, and I use these I use this one for eyeshadow, but really I rarely use these brushes, to be honest with you. But let me tell you what you can use them for: to do spot color correcting, spot concealing your eyeshadow, to go into little areas and crevices, to go on your brow bone, to blend out your concealer or your foundation. If you're doing detailed work, you can use a smaller brush and dip in a cream or whatever I needed to draw different things on your face. That's what you can use it for, but honestly I rarely use this. Now these three are what I use mostly in the kit, in the eyes section, and this is for my brows. I use to sculpt my brows, and you can use it also to fill your brows in, and also to clean up your brows. You can also use this to draw on your face as well. We're in the Halloween season now, so you can use it to draw on your face whatever lines you want to draw on your face. This bad boy right here is what I use for blending, and it's like a baby wanted the highlighting in paradise, kind of, not really, but I love this for blending. So I use this today to specifically just to blend out, just to apply color in the lid. You see all that lid work, crease work, sorry, all the colors of my crease. Use this to apply everything in my crease, this and this brush alone, and that's all I use it for. I lied, let me go back to that other brush, the angled fluffy brush. This one I used to apply eyeshadow on my lid as well. I use it like this to apply eyeshadow on my lid, so I use it like this to apply eyeshadow. Crazy, right? But it's cool. And this one is what I rarely use for myself, but on my clients I use it to apply their lips. And I can use it for your winged liner as well, for your cream wing liner products, but I use this to apply on it for lips. Now my overall assessment of the brushes is that personally I like them, and for the price I think it's a steal for the price, to be quite honest with you. For some people it's a little bit expensive, and I completely get that, and that's why we always constantly have deals, especially to the VIP members. They always have a deal. This entire set was going for $35. These went for $35 for I think a month and a half. Now my overall assessment is that they are extremely soft. Even the foundation brush right here, it is very soft. I have not gotten shedding with them as yet. The ferrules haven't come loose on me as yet. It's when I put my name behind something, I put my name behind it. I'm gonna name the back in front, on the side, on the top, and on the bottom. For Pomi brushes. I'm going to have a review coming up of the lashes, but not today. I just want this video to be focused specifically on the brushes. These are going for $45, but look out for Black Friday. We have something brewing for Black Friday, but it's only going to be for our VIP club members. It's free to join the VIP club. I'll leave a link in the description part below. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you didn't feel like I was rushing, because I really am, because you know I got duties. But yeah, that's basically all I have to say about this brush set. Love it. It's called everything together, all 12 brushes, is called Pomi in Paradise. So you have Intensity in Paradise, which is a 10-piece, Highlighting in Paradise, Sculpting in Paradise, and then everything is called Pomi in Paradise. And as I've said, Pomi means pigments of my imagination. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. Then,
hey Lyric, wanted to ask, what's it been like since you had your son, and yeah, being a mom